What if I tell you that you can earn 10 to 50,000 per month or even more than that from the comfort of your homes? Wouldn't that be amazing? Or what if I tell you that you will be able to take care of your family along with running a successful business? Wouldn't that excite you? Or are you one of those ladies who have always aspired to be your own boss? Or are you one of those ladies who wants to earn an additional income along with your 9 to 5 job? Or are you a student who wants to earn that extra pocket money? All the answers to these questions would be answered in the next 5 minutes. Zero to Action Academy is a wonderful course designed by Anagha Bhatt, wherein she teaches aspiring women entrepreneurs to become social media managers and virtual assistants. Anagha Bhatt is a wedding planner turned into a social media manager, a digital marketer, a copywriter, and now a coach who teaches women how to build a successful online career. A social media manager is a person who helps businesses or people wanting to create their personal brand have their online presence. A virtual assistant is someone who provides administrative services to the clients even while operating from outside of the client's office or from anywhere in the world for that matter. Anagha will take you step by step through this journey from Module 1, having the right mindset to becoming a social media manager or a virtual assistant, to Module 2, which will cover the basics that you need to know about social media platforms. Module 3 will cover visual branding and optimizing profile. Module 4 will cover creating a content strategy, maintaining a content calendar, brainstorming for content ideas, designing on Canva, writing captions, hashtag research, competitors research, scheduling on Creator Studio, tracking insights and analytics. She will also cover admin tasks, how to Google, email management, calendar management, search engine optimization, video editing, copywriting, and in Module 5, she will cover finding and onboarding clients. In Module 6, she covers time management, how to handle different clients at the same time, mapping out clients' journey, creating an upload calendar, and introduction to Notion board to make your work easier. Along with this, she has also included 3 bonuses wherein she provides a Slack group support for all of you, a Facebook group, weekly live coaching calls and Q&A sessions wherein you can solve all your doubts and queries. If you still have any questions related to this course, you can always direct message her on Instagram and she would be happy to help you. I'll leave her Instagram handle down below. I hope this video was useful for you. Do like this video and share it with all the ladies in your family and friends to help them grow. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing content coming your way. And if you are eager to know how Zero to Action Academy's beta program has helped the first set of students to get some amazing results, you should definitely consider watching this video till the very end.
I am Harini. I am a content writer and a Canva designer. Now I can proudly and confidently tell that I also work as a virtual assistant and a social media manager. It's all possible because of Anagha and her Zero to Action Academy. When I wanted to start as a virtual assistant all by myself, I had a hard time figuring and testing things out. At that time, ZDA came as a savior. Right from the mindset to landing your clients and managing your time, Anagha covered it all. So learning with a mentor and a community that inspires and guides you is a great thing. I'm so grateful that I got that opportunity and a mentor like Anagha. So if you want to start out as a social media manager or a virtual assistant or both, Anagha is your girl. Go for it.
Hi, this is Muskan and I have been a part of Zero to Action Academy. Zero to Action Academy has been such a blessing to me. Anagha is such a cool coach and she's such a friend to whom you can ask any doubts you have without feeling stupid. I remember that she, from the first day itself, insisted to start finding clients. From the first day itself. Because she wanted to help with that first lead or that first client along the way. Zero to Action Academy is so literal to its name, as in you start from zero and you take action towards your dream career, and Anagha helps on each and every step towards it. I'm so happy to tell you that I recently signed a 4-month contract with an international client, and she is ready to pay me $400 per month for my services. And I also have a couple of amazing leads lined up already who are ready to work with me. Anagha teaches each and everything in such a simple manner that I can guarantee you that by the end of 6 weeks, you will be a social media manager and a virtual assistant who deserves to be paid well. If you are into this niche per se, then I genuinely recommend ZAA for you, because it was amazing for me and I know it will be amazing for you too. Thank you, Anagha. Thank you so much for this coaching program, and everything is because of you. Thank you so much.
Hi everyone, this is Lippy and I'm an SMM and a VA. I have taken my training under Anagha in her ZA Beta program. Honestly, ZA Beta program is the best thing that has happened to me in 2020, because the way the course has been structured is absolutely spectacular. Anagha took me from exactly scratch point to build my freelancing journey. While 2 to 3 weeks were over in the course, I was able to get my first few trial clients, and with their successes, I have been able to get my hands full with proper paid clients even before the completion of 1 month after the date of completing the course. I'm absolutely blessed with a mentor like Anagha, because in the course, she not only taught me how to build my freelancing journey, but she also taught me the tiny nuances that need to be corrected. She is an absolutely supportive coach, always there to help you out, and I'm so grateful to have been selected in her Beta program.
Hello everyone, I'm Palak, a social media manager and a VA, and this is my testimonial for Anagha's online course, Zero to Action Academy. So this course has really helped me to kickstart my freelancing career. The course is really well structured and has all the essential elements you need to know to be a social media manager and a VA. Anagha is amazing as a coach, and she provides you help at each step, and she is readily available to answer your queries anytime. I started working on my Instagram profile after joining the course, and even when the course wasn't finished, I got like 2 clients without giving any free trials based on my profile and portfolio. I've been getting a lot of inquiries, and I've been doing discovery calls with prospects on a regular basis. Most importantly, I've got the confidence to work for myself, and I have met some amazing people in the community. Checklists, the templates and the sample documents Anagha has provided has proved to be really helpful. So if you are someone who is looking to become a social media manager or a VA and wants to start their freelancing, I highly recommend Anagha as a coach and Zero to Action Academy.
Hi, this is Roshni. I'm a part of the ZAA program. ZAA, or the Zero to Action Academy, is a curated coaching program by Anagha. Apart from being a good content creator, she is an absolutely great mentor. ZAA is for somebody who's aspiring to become an SMM and a VA but has zero idea from where to start. After joining this community, I learned everything that is essential to become an SMM and a VA, to creating my own portfolio, landing my testimonials and landing my clients. If you are somebody who's aspiring to become a social media manager and want to learn everything, ZAA is where you can take away a beautiful community, a mentor who always has your back, both in your wins and your failures, and absolutely everything to learn from.
Hi, so if you're looking to invest in Anagha Bhatt's course, which is the Zero to Action Academy, you should definitely give it a go. Without a doubt, it is one of the most detailed courses when it comes to learning about social media management and being a virtual assistant. She will give you a detailed framework from getting leads to making them your clients, and she makes sure that all of your doubts are cleared. Any tiniest of your doubts are cleared, and she has so much patience, and that is one of the most important thing that any mentor or coach should have, and you will not regret it.
Hi, my name is Prudvini, one of those luckiest persons to be a part of Anagabad's Zero to Action Academy's beta program. Now, I would like to share my experience with you all. When I'm filling the Google form, I don't even know what a social media manager or a virtual assistant do. But after being mentored by Anagabad for just 6 weeks of time, now I am able to provide services to my clients, and also they are really happy with my services. All credit goes to Anaga, who is the creator of this course. The course modules include everything from basics of social media to skills required by social media manager or a virtual assistant, tips, tools, templates, and also time management tips to balance your work life. If you are an aspiring social media manager or a virtual assistant, I highly recommend you to invest in this course, which is true to its name, Zero to Action. Thank you, Anaga, for making me a part of your community. You are the best.